Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog in New Delhi, urging states to develop globally competitive tourist destinations under his Viksit Bharat vision. The meeting also saw participation from several non-BJP chief ministers, while some notable absences raised eyebrows. Here's more in our next report.
Chairing the 10th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog in New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the concept of one state, one global destination. This push comes under the broader umbrella of his Viksit Bharat vision. He stated that such initiatives would spur development in neighboring cities by promoting them as tourist hubs. Prime Minister also stressed that growth, innovation and sustainability should be the guiding principles for building future-ready cities. Reinforcing this vision, he urged states to focus on creating at least one world-class tourist destination within their territory.
As shown in Operation Sindoor, also is going to be the same feature which will enable India to achieve Viksit Bharat. He focused on 3 or 4 areas: agriculture, he focused on education, he focused on healthcare and a lot of things that we done, things like TB Mukt Bharat, controlling obesity. He also urged states to implement programs which are funded largely by the central government.
The opposition is not impressed with the Prime Minister's call. The Congress claimed that people have lost faith in what they describe as the government's hollow promises.
अब इस सरकार से आप क्या उम्मीद करते हैं जो हर 5-7 साल में फिर मियाद आगे बढ़ा देती है? 2022 में जो होना था, आप बोल रहे हैं 2047 तक होगा, तो 2047 की विषय में अभी चर्चा करना कोई न नीति आयोग के लिए उचित है, न हमारे आपके लिए उचित है.
This was also the first interaction between Prime Minister Modi and the state CMs following Operation Sindoor and escalating tensions with Pakistan. Chief ministers of several non-BJP ruled states, including Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand and Telangana, were present at the meeting. However, the conspicuous absence of the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee drew attention. Bureau Report, India Today.